Maximizing land use for crops and green space is becoming more critical, accelerating new agricultural research and technology. As more knowledge becomes available about how to work with nature, not against it, the need for high-performance, sustainable plant nutrients becomes a priority. In 2016, Anuvia Plant Nutrients introduced its novel bio-based technology and opened a proof-of-concept production facility in Zellwood, Florida. This was a milestone as Anuvia delivered a new technology that improves fertilizer efficiency, reduces agriculture's environmental footprint, helps build healthier soils, increases crop yields, and is economically viable for farming. Anuvia's technology came at a time when attitudes toward land use were shifting to more sustainable practices. Now, sustainability is the focus of those who are concerned about the challenge to produce more food on a finite amount of land. For agriculture, it's a race to meet the demands of feeding 9.6 billion people by 2050. Anuvia lives its vision. Its sustainable products are proven on the farm, while the company has also set a precedent for effective reuse of organic materials. Since its products were first used in 2017, Anuvia has completed extensive in-field testing, with over 250 replicated trials in major crops reaching from the southern and midwestern United States to the Canadian prairies. On-farm use has been successful on over 1 million acres. From the beginning, Anuvia has systematically continued to verify performance, improve product quality, and build logistics to serve the market. Every aspect of their business has realigned as they take a giant step to meet the needs of sustainable farming. Fast forward to 2020. Propelled by the market need for more efficient plant nutrition for the agriculture, turf, and lawn care sectors, in October 2020, Anuvia started production at a new expanded facility in Plant City, Florida. This facility has the capacity to produce 1.2 million tons of product each year.
It is a big deal for a startup, especially when you think about 5 years ago when we started, it was literally a technology in a lab.
This is a major milestone for us. We've gone from Zellwood, which was really a proof of concept plant, and we're now moving it into large-scale production, which can serve the main agricultural markets in the United States, Canada.
This new but repurposed facility allows Anuvia to scale up its technology to better supply the large agricultural markets of corn, cotton, soybeans, rice, wheat, and canola. The successful retrofit of this facility serves as a model for expansion of this technology worldwide. Also, this facility has easy access to direct transportation routes that are essential to serve the large agricultural markets, and is well suited to rail and truck routes, along with ocean and water transportation. Anuvia itself is a testament to how committed individuals can bring a vital new product to market using innovative processes. Their first facility represented a major commitment which determined the viability of their new technology. It established a new standard in plant nutrient manufacturing and the reuse of organic waste. Today, Anuvia manufactures 3 bio-based fertilizers, marketed as Simtrex for agriculture, GreenTrex for turf and professional lawn care, and a new green for residential lawns. In addition, through a licensing agreement with Anuvia, the Mosaic Company will market Simtrex 10S in the United States under the brand name Sustera. This means Anuvia's Simtrex will be integrated into existing fertilizer strategies, further expanding distribution. Each of these sustainable, high-efficiency, slow-release plant nutrient products are produced using Anuvia's proprietary nutrient delivery technology, which gives farmers the benefit of increased yield, soil regeneration, and environmental stewardship. A critically important aspect of Anuvia's technology and brands is the composition of these products and the process used in manufacturing.
It's a new technology. It's never been done before. Being able to utilize ag waste as part of our feedstock, it truly is unique. It's the first of its kind.
It's a very easy technology for the market to adopt, for farmers to use, and take that step in terms of moving towards more sustainable strategies, more nutrient-efficient strategies.
Anuvia's customers not only benefit from access to high-performance plant nutrients, but also in the knowledge that they are contributing to the upcycling of resources that would otherwise have gone to waste. For every ton of organic waste used, approximately 1 ton of new fertilizer is produced. Anuvia's business approach reduces organic waste and reuses resources. It forms a closed loop in which no waste stream is created, only clean air and finished product. Whether you're a farmer, turf manager, lawn care professional, or homeowner, you are a steward. a caretaker of the land who plays an important role in maximizing and maintaining the rich resources available to us beneath our feet. Anuvia can help.